kind of go through your gallery.
We can go record that.
You good, Zach?
Coloring in his gay colors.
Are you really coloring because you didn't like how colorful it was? You should have looked up if there's a setting to make it all one color first before you just colored it in.
Well, it's just a Sharpie, it'll wash off if I wanted to.
Oh, okay.
Actually, probably won't even last.
Sure.
You want me to delete all this?
DOT approved. It's a nice helmet.
Yeah.
Brand new, huh? Come on!
So you might as well just start a new video.
Oh, it's not. No, it's in the video. No. You said grab it. Start recording. Don't cry about now.
Yeah, record that. You wanted to record that.
I am recording all the stuff going on.
Alright, this is good enough.
Yep.
Good enough for now. I got no weather on there. That's all I give a shit. Weather. I'll see if there's a phone call or a message. Somebody's messaging.
Yeah.
Nick's got some new wheels.
Same.
Gold accents.
Alright guys, have a good day. Have a good ride. I know you're gonna go out there fucking zipping up and down the fucking highway.
Oh yeah. You know what?
Later.
Yeah, you too.
Take care.
John, tell the lovely people how much you paid for.
Way too much.
How much were the rotors alone?
1,200. Well, California.
New brake pads, carbon fiber.
I'm trying to cover this fucking gear.
Yeah, of course, I don't have a fucking full plate holder. What the fuck kind of bullshit is this? I guess the one that's fucking missing.
It's a fair day. Not bad. Not bad. Taylor's got his bike back. It's all cammed and stuff. Does look pretty nice. Kind of a fiasco. He had a couple of oil leaks they had to straighten out. But dude was really cool and came and fixed them on the spot. Came right to his house. Freaking nuts. My bike out today. I love my bike. Zach went mudding the other day. I was trying to clean that off.
Yeah.
Went to turn around and turned into like a ditch that was just full wetness. Full wetness. Sunk it right in and just roostered.
Nick questioned me about it the other day too before we went riding. He's like, when did you go mudding with your bike? And I was like, ah. I did. Didn't mean to. damage has been done. The tires is muddy.
Yeah, we're gonna finish cleaning mine up outside.
Yeah, let's hear that thing run now, eh? I know you had it running a little bit ago, but start it up again.
Alright, so the build. So you guys seen on the previous, we got the mid controls on, got the SD concept exhaust on. Holy shit, these bugs are nuts. The R&S air filter, but Woods 22 XE cam. We went with the S&S intake. Got rid of the plastic junk. Upgraded fueling injectors. Went black. So yeah.
I like the little sissy bar attachment.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get some bags. I don't like riding around with a backpack.
Come on, the wife is a nice backpack.
Yeah, yeah. No, she's got her own bike now.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she's got her V-Star, the Yamaha V-Star 650.
She don't even know how to fully ride that, or is she going down the highway yet?
She's working on it. It's what year is it? 2025? May? We're in May, right? I'm hoping by, let's just call it the 4th of July, she'll be able to ride it on the roads by herself. I don't know, man. She's never driven a stick shift, so it's just kind of hard to...
Stick shift?
Well, it's, you know how people can, you drive a stick shift car and you pretty much correlate it back to a motorcycle?
Yeah.
So,
I get what you're saying.
damn, these bugs.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave you out here.
Yeah, you guys have fun inside.
I'm getting carried away by mosquitoes.
Travis is there to talk to. Travis, you want to change brake pads, right?
Yeah, I know to wear them out too.
Perfect.
You got a nice set of brake pads on you.
John, these are fine. I wouldn't change these.
No?
Yeah, they got plenty of them.
Oh, those are nice yet. That side is anyway. How's this side?
Travis, I'm gonna ride my bike in here. Come open the
It's
door.
not bad. Look, you better be fast. You ain't wanting no goddamn bugs in here. I ain't opening the door until you're like right here.
Right. Dude, these mosquitoes are gnarly, man.
No.
Welcome to Wisconsin.
Fucking bugs. Buggies, man. Look at those bugs. Go. You're bringing a bug to me. There's so many bugs out there.
So many.
We're gonna need a new lighting director here pretty quick.
Oh yeah.
Son of a bitch.
Get that side in.
No.
You gotta go down.
Well, here goes the
I
axe.
can't.
You gotta spread the fork.
Yeah, it's like your
Fork spreader.
It's like your spacers are.
Fork spracer.
How am I gonna do that?
Spreader. Use your fingers. Is it? How big is it? Is it a lot bigger, or is it? Oh, there it goes. You got it. Did you spin on it first? That always helps.
How are you lined up?
He's really close. Oh. Keep jiggling. Just accidentally play with her before you shove it in.
You're like right there, dude.
Up, down. I think, John, you have to go up.
No, he's threading it in.
Oh, you gotta thread it in? Okay. I thought there'd be a nut or something.
It's a threaded end.
Damn. That's kind of cool. Put Loctite on it? No. It's gonna fall apart.
Ooh, that's scary.
It's not that scary, it's just tight. You like tight? And once you put weight on it again, it'll go up into the curve more.
So now,
Yeah.
fresh like that.
Alright. We'll come back when it's on.
Damn mosquitoes.
So the rotors hit the calipers. The knobs are hitting the inside there. Shine your light over here, would you please? Yeah. Can you turn the wheel just a smidge? Right there. That's where it's hidden.
Mm-hmm.
Now, can we just take a grinder to it?
No.
What do you mean? Just grind a little bit of the caliper off. It's just a little ear.
Or I could just order the Brembos that I want.
I mean, yeah, but for right now, you could have just grinded off caliper, then they would fit.
Yeah.
Unless you don't want to, and then we just leave the front brake on hook.
Oh, because I'm sure you probably, if you end up going to Brembos, you're probably going to want to
Here's your phone.
factories.
Here's your phone, buddy. Thanks for letting the viewers see the
Yeah.
problem. You can still get the front one on though, or the front fender. Get the front fender on there. We're gonna sit and think about it. That's better.
Just gonna do a little grinding.
A little more grinding.
Might have to do a little more grinding.
Max grinding.
Yeah. Especially because we ground in the wrong spot the first time.
More. So,
Like wider or deeper?
it would have to be the opposite side.
I think that's what she's asking.
No. Seems like you would have to trim some of that.
Some of this?
Yeah.
Like this way?
Yeah. Like, we would have to cut some of this out yet, and then it's catching right there. So you would have to, like, bevel it. You know what I'm saying?
Round the whole edge.
I'll try. Might hit your brake pad a little bit.
Yeah.
More or is that a little more?
So hard to watch.
Can't take my eyes off this front brakes anyway. Anybody who wants to do rolling burnout?
Is that what we're doing today?
Yeah, go out there and
I just want some brisket.
burn down the town. Burn her down, Taylor. You got a new tire on the way now, don't you? So the first side we touched, we didn't need to touch that at all still?
Nope.
That would have been fine. Yeah, he's the one who told me where to grind, so.
Oh, it'd be like that.
Now we know for the other side. One side's an experiment. The next side you can make it pretty.
That's why I said
This is
don't.
like usually the non.
This is why I said
the
do
last
it on
one.
the first one. That way you can use the second one as a reference.
Right. So you did the good side last. Exhaust
Oh,
side,
you
like,
fucking bitch.
still hits, huh?
Once the test fitting is all. Come back in a second. Oh, got a pizza down.
Classers, I turned away from them all off. That's why I didn't open them all up.
Nick's here.
You see your bike?
You ready to get him? We're gonna bring it outside, or I'll get a shower outside.
Make sure you pump your brake before you drive. I did that mistake with mine.
Burn both of them calipers.
These are a little sketchy, Dan.
But it is. And they're polishing. Super red. Huh? I didn't hear you. What?
I don't know, Zach got that fucking thing to come up to. Oh, there it is.
Oh, the pin thing? See, now you can see yours. Fucking mosquitoes. He lost his hat. What a nerd.
What?
I said he lost his hat. What a nerd.
Oh, I'm still wearing these.
Yeah, you are.
What do you know?
I thought John was just doing a test run and he fucking went all the way around the county block.
Really?
I think so. Little dusted tailgate. Someone wrote ooh, there's a duck out here. So many fucking mosquitoes, holy shit. They're gonna carry me out of here. Yeah, they're kind of something like that.
That looks pretty sweet going down the road with the red spinning. Fucking bagger, bro.
Dude, take it for a ride, man. It fucking rides like a dream.
I can't reach the
bars down here. Now I probably won't even be able to reach the ground.
You want to take it?
Zach, you want to take mine?
I'd probably be able to touch the ground on that thing, yeah. Give it a try.
Dude.
Yeah.
He should be in it.
Oh, yeah.
You gonna do some Cheerios on his bike or what?
Dude, should
No
I?
Cheerios. Back tire's getting pretty bad.
That thing's light.
Come on, do a Cheerio.
Your
can't even do
kickstand
it.
is in the worst place now.
I know.
Here, hold this. Use it if you like. How do you work this thing? This thing's sassy. Dude, you gotta adjust your brake lever or something.
I know.
You gotta pick your whole foot up to get to that thing.
Yeah.
Wow. Dude, I don't even know what full throttle feels like. I couldn't even get to it. It was scary.
It's scary, dude.
Thought you were gonna do a wheel. Surprised you didn't go really.
I'm impressed. She's fast.
Yeah, dudes. Sweet.